Hello, welcome to my class 12 classes. I am Mrs. Roy ma'am of your favorite Roy ma'am, and I have got so much love from you. And this is the final year of the schooling. This is the final year of schooling, and this year you have to work little harder. Whatever I know all of you are working hard, but you have to work little harder for any of the stream you want to choose. Okay, so I start my lessons, and I think all of you will follow, and if you have got any difficulties, you can contact me. Okay, all the best for plus 2. Okay, I start. Suppose I start matrices. This is a new topic to you. This is the new topic to you, and I give you an information that suppose Radha has 10 pens, 12 notebooks and 10 pencils, and Vibhor has 15 pens, 10 notebooks and 12 pencils. Alam has 20 pens and 14 notebooks and 8 pencils. These are the information I am giving to you all. But this can be written as in the format that is, I write Radha, Vibhor, Alam, 3 people, and the pens, notebooks, pencils. Radha has 10 pen. So this information I have written in this form: 10, 12, 10, and 15, 10, 12, and 20, 14, and 8. These are the information I have written. So, but this is not a number. This is the information I am giving you. So, or I can write in a different format, that is Radha, Vibhor and Alam on the top, and pen, notebooks and pencils. This information can be written as vertically. Earlier I wrote horizontally, now it is vertically. Both of them mean the same. Now, this is called matrix. This called matrix. Matrix is, I can denote it as capital alphabet, A, B, C, so on, X, capital Y, so on. This I can and denote as A, or I can denote this is also A, because they mean the same thing. Each number is called the element. Element, that means how many elements are there? 9. Here also how many elements are there? 9. 9 elements. This is the particular form which is given, the information is given, I have written, and I can write this. This is in the form of how many rows? 3 rows, 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows into 3 columns. 3 rows into 3 columns. And here also I can write 3 rows into 3 columns. Have you noticed that if I write horizontally or vertically, they are the same? If I write horizontally or vertically, they are the same. They give you the same information to you. Got it? Now let us take a matrix. I told you that matrix can be written, it is written with capital alphabet. Okay, I take the matrix and the elements are 7, 6, 8, 9, 4, 5. This is the first row. This is first row. This is second row. what do I say? This is first column. This is second column. And this is third column. This one. This one is third column. Third column. COLUMN. How many elements are there? Elements are, there are 6 elements and it is in the form of, that is how many rows? 2 rows. 2 rows and 3 columns. What do you mean by that? 2 into 3 implies 2 rows and 3 columns. A matrix is a it's not a number, it is an arrangement. Just it is an arrangement. We have arranged the numbers in this way. Okay. Now, if I have a matrix that is capital A, general form of a matrix can be written as A, I, first row for A11, A12, A13, A1M, N, sorry, it is N. And this is A21, A22, A22, 22, A23, A2N. Now I will just proceed like this. Then AM1, AM2 and AM3 AMN. This is the general form of, this is the form of M into N matrix. That means how many columns are there? 9, N. And how many rows are there? M rows here and N columns here. That is M into N. M into N. Okay? This is called M into N. Okay. The general form is that is AIG is equal to, first I write AI is equal I1, I this is the form of this AIG, IJ. Suppose I can write in the short form, that is I, where I is equal to 1, 2, M, and J is equal to 1, 2, N. Then it will be M into N strength of matrix. Now what is the, this is called AIJ, general form of this, AIJ. So, have you followed? That is, this is the first row, second row, and first column, second column, third column. And if I write A is equal to, I have A11, A12, A13, A1N, up to N columns. Similarly, A21, A22, A23, A2N, to N. And then last is that, last row is M, AM1, AM2, AM3, AMN. Amen. That is, it is the order of M into N matrix. Okay. Then where I and I is equal, this is the this is the short form of this. This is the short form of this. That is A is equal to Aij. Aij. I is 1 to m and j is 1 to n. Okay. This is the short form. Now, A is a short form of that. I have written capital A is equal to Aig. I is 1 to m and n is I is and j is 1 to n. M comma n, they are the real natural numbers. They are the natural numbers and indicate the matrix of order m into n. I1 less equal to I less equal to n. M, sorry. This is the row and I less equal to j less equal to n is the columns. And example, now example I take, example is that, example C is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube, cos x plus sin x plus 2 and tan x. How many rows are there? 2. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. That is, and they are all real. 2 into 3. This is 2 into 3 order. Now I have this is called x and y, two elements, x comma y, and my matrix is this. This is how many rows, 2 rows and 1 column. So only 1 column. That is, this is called column matrix. Column matrix. And now this, if I write this is A, 4, 5, 6. How many rows? 1 row. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3. Yes, that is 4. That is 1 into 4. 1 into 3. 3 columns. 3 column. So only one row is there. This is called row matrix. This is called row matrix. Okay. Now I have, this is called, this is B, 6, 7 and 8, 9. How many rows? How many columns? 2 rows and 2 columns. That is 2 into 2. When the orders, rows and columns are same, then it is called square matrix. And C, I write, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how many rows? 2 rows. 2 rows and 3 columns. That is 2 into 3. This is a rectangle. This is rectangular matrix. Okay, rectangular matrix. Then comes unit matrix. Unit matrix is a square matrix. Unit matrix is a square matrix whose diagonal element, these are called elements here, and diagonal elements, when it is a square matrix, then only we have diagonal elements. We have that is D is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Unit matrices, this is the diagonal, it is a square matrix 2 by 2 form, 2 by 2 form, square matrix, and whose diagonal elements are 1. here whose diagonal elements are 1. So this is called diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So have you followed? This is I get row matrix, column matrix, row matrix, square matrix, rectangular matrix, then diagonal matrix. And what is zero matrix? Zero matrix is that when the matrix has got all the elements 0, that is zero matrix. Okay, this is called that is x is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is called zero matrix. Have you followed? Yes. Have you followed? I think all of you have followed. Okay?